Okay. So now, as we already done with the national party system, now we are going to discuss more about the regional party system. Okay. Now first we will discuss about the regional party, how it get emerged and what were the purposes. Okay. Now we can see in newspaper uh, various information about the various parties. Okay. Now why these parties function at only state level, or and some regional parties are also influence. So some parties also influential about that national party also. We can take the example of Shiv Sena. Okay. Even though it belongs to a regional party, it also club with sometime with the national parties. Means it works at the national level also. Okay. BJP is a nationalist party, Kushi. It is not a regional party. Okay. Yeah, with BJP. Yeah. Previously it was with BJP, but at current it club with the Congress and other parties. Okay, now first we will discuss the criteria regarding the regional parties. Now, why these parties get into emerge? Now we all know India is a country with many languages and different cultures and traditions. Okay, it has a different geographical areas too. Now we already studied. Now as it has a it is a vast area, so it cannot be controlled by a single party, right? uh, it should be that every state should get someone to work. Okay, as we can take your example of your school. Okay, your school principal is a head. Now she has to work, and she has to done the process of whole have to complete the process of whole school. Now how she is able to complete? She can able to complete by individually? No, because it is a big complex. So there is a need for some hands who are called as helping hand. So teachers are appointed for each class. Yes, very good, Neeraj. So for the help, school staff is there. We can say the teachers and other people in the school. Uh, and suppose you all the students are the citizens. Okay, so whatever the problems of the citizens are there, they will tell to the class teacher. That is the our chief minister, right? Understood. Then that chief minister will take the problem to the central government. That is our principal. Is that clear? So to arrange this process properly, there is a need for establishing regional parties. Okay, and that is why the regional party has come into existence. Now what happened is some regional we as a live belongs to one particular region. So we develop some affinity. Now, what is affinity? Affinity means attraction or feeling of kinship of to a place or person, as it is a natural. As we belong to some place, so we feel very proud of that. Okay, so what happens? Some people like this come out and they start they start work for the work of that particular region. So they start developing their own region. Okay, as they feel proud of their language, literature. We all feel proud of our own regional language, literature, tradition, historical reform, social reform, education, culture, all these things. So there is a need to develop all these things so we can feel more proud of it. So for this purpose, some communities come forward and they they make a group which is afterwards called as regional parties. Okay, now we will move further. Now we already discussed the uh, now definition, we can say definition to the regional party. Okay, now regional parties are those groups in a region who have a proud feeling about the different identity of their region and who compete to get political power with the objective of regional development. Okay, now a group which come forward, they have some objectives to make their region become more and more successful. So how they are able to do? By just talking? No. For that, they should have a power, and for that they will come into the they convert themselves into the parties. Okay, and they become a political party, and they play their role is very significant, very important at the regional level, because they try to resolve the regional problems. Okay, and even though they are cooperating to the that federal government, the central government, but still they try to protect their autonomy. Okay, now we are going to discuss. I hope this much is understood. Okay, so they work for the solving their regional problems, and for that time they have to take sometime the help from the central government also. Now we can see the present situation. The different government work for their um, citizens for of the different states during the COVID pandemic situation. Okay, and sometimes they took the help from the government also to solve their problem which they have not able to solve by themselves. Okay, now we are going to discuss changing nature of regional parties in India. Okay, now we already discussed in our history lesson that uh, there was a separatist movement was there after independence. Okay, so regional parties rise. Yes, very good, Neeraj. Khalistan. Okay, so regional parties gave rise to the separatist movement. Okay, we already discussed the Khalistan about the Khalistan, and the second was the Dravidistan. Sorry, Dravidistan. Uh, okay, so this was the first stage when the political parties come into the existence. They start with the separatist movement. Now, what happens slowly and gradually? The demand change. Okay, and instead of an independent state, what they start demanding? They start demanding autonomy in their own state. Okay, yes, yes, freedom to do whatever they want in their own state. Yes, very good, Ria, and others, those who given the answer. And when this was the starts, it's began after 1990. Then what was the demand? The demand again changed. Okay, now they demanded that the development of a region people from region should get power at state and national level too. We have some example. I previously only given the example of Shiv Sena, okay, who work at the Maharashtra, at the regional, that is in the Maharashtra also, and it has capacity to work at the national level too. Okay, so there is a change in the, yes, Telugu Desham. Very good, beta, Riya. Now the next, regional parties in the northeast. This also we have discussed. Okay, now what happened? They also demanded for the separatist movement. We have discussed the northeastern states, Sikkim, Myanmar, then Nagaland, all. Yes, very good, Neeraj. So now what happens? Slowly and gradually, they also uh, start coming into the mainstream of the country, and they stop demanding the separatism, and instead they start demanding autonomy. Yes, very good, Ria. They started to enter in the mainstream of the country. So now what we can conclude that in the regional party, the role of the regional party in India has passed through various phases. Okay, first phase was separatism, then to autonomy, then the entry towards the mainstream of the national politics. And we already discussed the coalition. Okay, that coalition is one of the consequence of their increasing influence in national politics. Now we are going to study, we all know there are many nationalist not nationalist, regional parties. Okay, but we are not going to study all the regional parties. We are going to study some regional parties. Okay. Okay, some major regional parties which we are going to study. Okay, first we will discuss about Shiv Sena. Okay, the party, the main party we can say, the main political party in Maharashtra. Now, what was in which it established in the year 1966. It established in Maharashtra. Okay, now what were the objectives? The objectives of this Shiv Sena party was protection of the right of the Marathi people, as it belongs to the Maharashtra, and Maharashtra belongs consists Marathi speaking people. So what was the objective? The first objective, to protect the rights of the Marathi speaking population. Okay, or Marathi people. Then promotion of the Marathi language. What it wants, that more and more people should speak Marathi. Yeah, that party Mansa has came afterwards. We will let me complete this part beta first. Okay, now after that, resistance to people from other regions. Okay, now it start resisting to people from other region to come into the state. Okay, now we are going to discuss how it came into existence. In 1995, it entered in a coalition. We already discussed the coalition with BJP and come to the power in Maharashtra. It shares power with the BJP in Maharashtra since 2014. Okay, now the second party which we are going to discuss is Shiromani Akali Dal. Okay, from the name only we can understand Akali Dal belongs to Punjab. Yes, it belongs to a region of Punjab. It is a regional party of Punjab, established in the year 1920. Now, what were the objectives? The objectives were the cultivating religious and regional identity. Now, for which objective they are working? They are working for the objective of cultivating religious and regional identity. They want to make a different identity for their region and their religion too. Yes, and also for the protection of the rights of the Punjabi people. Now it assumes power in Punjab for many years. Okay. Now the next party which we are going to discuss is Jammu and Kashmir National Conference. Okay. Now in which year it gets established? In the year 1932. It is a main regional party in the Kashmir. We are going to discuss all the main regional parties. Okay, now for what purpose it get the main purpose was protect the interest of the Kashmiri people, yes, and protection of the autonomous status. Okay, these were the objectives of this party. After that, we are going to discuss the next party, regional party, which belongs to Assam Gan Parishad. I think we have discussed this about in the history. Assam Agreement. Assam Agreement was signed in 1985. Now, what were the objectives we can say? The resolve the problem of displaced people. Okay, we already discussed about this, that some people are displaced from their region to another region. So first objective was to resolve their problem. Then yes, it is very common, we can say, protect the unique culture, linguistic and social identity of Assam and economic development of the Assam. Okay, and it also assumes power in Assam for many years. Now the next, last but not the least in your chapter, the party which we are going to discuss is the Dravid Munnetra Kazhagam party. Okay, it is this party, we can see it is also called as Justice Party. It was a there was a non-Brahmin movement in the year 1920, which transferred this into Dravid Munnetra Kazhagam, a political party. Okay, and in which year it is named as the Dravid Munnetra Kazhagam party? In the year 1944. Okay, before that it was Justice Party. In the year 1944, it come to be known as Dravid Munnetra Kazhagam party. Okay. Now what happened? Another group. Okay, one was Dravid Munnetra Kazhagam Party. And the second group was made in the year 1972. All India Dravid Munnetra Kazhagam Party. Okay, so now we can see this party, Dravid Munnetra Kazhagam Party, has split from the Justice Party. Okay, then again it is split into the All India Dravid Munnetra Kazhagam Party. Now, what was the purpose? As we all know, it is also a regional party, so it will work for the region only. So, protection of the Tamil identity, member of coalition government at the center for the some year. The party has support or voters from all sections of society. It was in power for long period and implemented many policies. Okay, now what we come to understand at the last, that all these parties whichever we have discussed, this regional party, the common goal, what was the common goal of their, that they have to improve, they have to develop the condition of their own region, and for that it is very important to protect the rights of their region and develop the culture of their region, develop the language, religion, then different other natural things. Try to protect the heritage, all these things. Yes, social identity also they have to make very good, Neeraj. Social identity they also want to make. So these all regional parties and many other regional parties which we have not discussed here, which is not mentioned in the lesson, these all are just working for the benefit of their own region. So there is a very important, the regional party plays a very important role for the development of the that particular area. Okay, is that clear to you? Okay. Can you tell me the some names of the regional parties which is not mentioned in the lesson? Manse, very good, Neeraj. That is belongs from Maharashtra. You have to tell me the state also. Samajwadi Party. From which state, Ria? Yes. Mizo National Front. Okay. Yes, very good. It is from Mizoram. Okay. Anything else? Very good, Diksha. Okay, now at the starting, only I shown you a slide where some symbols are there. So, okay, now I will mark. You have to tell me the party name. Okay. Now, which party symbol is this? Yes, just tell me the full form. Very good, Om. Aam Aadmi Party. Okay, who is the leader? Who is the leader of the? Very good. Arvind Kejriwal. Very good. Riya and Om. Very nice. Okay. Now I want this. No. I'm waiting for some more responses. Then I'll tell you the answer. Yeah, I'm getting responses. Yes. Very good. It is Samajwadi Party. Very nice. Very nice, students. All of you given almost correct answers. Very good. Akhilesh Yadav. Yes, my students are very taking interest in the politics. Very nice. Okay. Now this, which party symbol is it? Very good, Ria. It is India Anna Dravid Munnetra Kanjugam, which we already have discussed. Okay. Now, just tell me the name of this party symbol. Very good. Communist Party of India. Very nice, Neeraj. Communist Party of India, Marxist. We have two Communist Party in India. Very nice, Hiral. Very nice, beta. Now, this figure, I think many students know very well this figure. Congress, very nice. It is not BJP, Bhumi. It is Congress. Indian National Congress. Okay. Now I want student to tell me this symbol belongs to whom? This lantern. Yes. What happened, students? RJD. Okay. Rashtriya Janata Dal. Very nice. Riya. Om. Very good. Uh, okay. I want the name of the founder of this party. The person was very famous. Very nice, Neeraj. I'm waiting for some more students to answer. Very good, Bhumi. No, 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 Om. I want the founder. Nitish Kumar is belongs to Janata Dal. It is Lalu Prasad Yadav. Okay. Yes, Bhumi, very nice. Very nice, students, for your participation. You've answered very well. Okay. Thank you very much, students. Now, I want to ask you some questions, whatever we have discussed till now, okay, in this lesson. Now, what you have to do, you have to find out the name and the founder and the current leader of the party, different regional parties, okay? What you have to do, you have to find out the name of the founder of the regional party, from which state it belongs, found in which year it get found, it get its foundation, and who is the current leader. Okay, and you have to find out the symbol also. Yes, it is very important because it is very helpful to you in future also. Now, I want students to explain me what do you mean by a political party? What is a political party? What is a political party, students? I'm getting some answer, but I'm waiting for some more students to answer it. Very good, Kushi. Very good, Hiral. Riya. Very good, Aryan. Neeraj, very nice. Riddhi. Okay. So, what is a political party? Political party is a party. It become a party when a group of people organize themselves for some objective of achieving political power and participate in the electoral process. These organizations are called as political parties. Very good. Okay. Now, which are the characteristics of a political party? What was the first characteristics we have discussed? Very good, Khushi. Riddhi, Neeraj, Siddesh, to be in power. What was the second characteristics? To pursue an ideology. Very good, Riya, Riddhi, Aryan, Neeraj, very nice. Now the next, third one, very nice, to have a party agenda. And the next one, to establish a government. And the last but not the least, act as a link between government and the people. Very nice, students. So these are the 5 characteristics of any political party, whether it is a regional or whether it is a national party. These 5 characteristics are very important. Okay. Okay. Now the next, what do you mean by regional party? What do you mean by regional party? Yes, I'm getting some answers. Very nice. Very good, Yashasvi. But need to modify your answer, Yashasvi. Very good, Riya. Khushi, Hiral, very nice, beta. Neeraj, what about other students? I'm not getting an answer from all the students. Why? Okay, so now I am announcing the answer. The regional parties are those groups in a particular region who feel proud for, who have a proud feeling for their own region, about their different identity, and they compete to get political power with the objective of the regional development. It's called as political party, regional political party. Okay. In which year Shiv Sena was established? Very nice, Kushi. Very nice, Tejal, Siddesh, Arya. No, Arya, it is not. You have mistaken, Arya. In which year Shiv Sena was established? Very good, Yashasvi. Hiral, very nice. No, Sarth, you have to need, there is a need to correct your answer, Sarth. You have mistaken. Yes, very nice, Arya. No, Om, just try to correct your answer. No, Siddhesh, it is not. The correct answer, the Shiv Sena got established in the year 1966. Okay, 2014 is the date till which it share power with the BJP in Maharashtra. Okay, we have discussed some parties, right? So from that party, which parties belongs to Punjab? Name the Punjab's regional party which we have discussed today. Very good, Neeraj. Om, very nice. Khushi. It is Shiromani Akali Dal. Very nice. In which year it was established? Very good. It is in the year 1920.